Best 3 fruits you should eat for breakfast to detox your kidney. Breakfast is often hailed as the most important meal of the day, setting the tone for your energy levels and overall health. When it comes to supporting your kidneys, choosing the right foods can make a significant difference. Incorporating fruits into your breakfast routine can be an excellent way to kickstart your day while providing your kidneys with the nourishment they need for optimal function and detoxification. Here are the top 3 fruits you should consider including in your breakfast to detox your kidneys. Number 1. Watermelon. Watermelon is not only delicious and hydrating, but also exceptionally beneficial for kidney health. It has a high water content, which helps promote hydration and supports kidney function by flushing out toxins and waste products. Additionally, watermelon is rich in potassium, a mineral that plays a vital role in regulating blood pressure and preventing the formation of kidney stones. Furthermore, watermelon contains antioxidants like lycopene, which may help protect against kidney damage and inflammation. Number 2. Berries, blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries. Berries are nutritional powerhouses packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making them ideal for kidney detoxification. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are particularly beneficial due to their high levels of antioxidants, such as anthocyanins and vitamin C, which help protect the kidneys from oxidative stress and inflammation. These antioxidants also support overall kidney function by reducing the risk of kidney disease and promoting the elimination of toxins. Furthermore, berries are low in potassium and phosphorus, making them suitable for individuals with kidney problems who need to limit these minerals in their diet. Number 3. Pineapple. Pineapple is a tropical fruit known for its sweet and tangy flavor, as well as its numerous health benefits, including support for kidney detoxification. Rich in bromelain, an enzyme with anti-inflammatory properties, pineapple helps reduce inflammation in the kidneys and improve kidney function. Bromelain also aids in digestion and helps break down proteins, which can ease the workload on the kidneys. Additionally, pineapple is an excellent source of vitamin C, manganese, and dietary fiber, all of which contribute to kidney health and detoxification. Incorporating these 3 fruits into your breakfast routine can be as simple as adding them to smoothies, yogurt parfaits, oatmeal, or enjoying them on their own as a refreshing and nutritious snack. However, it's essential to remember that while these fruits can support kidney health, they should be part of a balanced diet that includes a variety of foods from all food groups. Additionally, if you have existing kidney issues or concerns, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian to ensure that your dietary choices align with your individual needs and health goals. Starting your day with kidney-friendly fruits like watermelon, berries, and pineapple can be an excellent way to support kidney detoxification and overall health. By making these nutritious fruits a regular part of your breakfast routine, you can nourish your body, boost your energy levels, and promote optimal kidney function for greater well-being.